namhlanje besithi ngesize sikhulume, but I think we owe our final goodbye. And lamaqili-ke ngizalwa nawo athi kuzokhuluma mina. I don't know why. Mhlampe, let me give you a backstory so that nizo understand the person whom I was. A long time ago, there was uQondi. Qondi was Zanele's big sister, who happened to be my mother. Qondi passed away when I was still very young. Lindo and myself, and Lindo, my brother. On her deathbed, she called us. Wasitshela wathi, I'm tired, but anginishiyi nodwa. You know ukuthi anginishiyi nodwa. Uyazi ukuthi ukhona uma wenu uZanele. We were very young. We didn't understand at that time ukuthi uyahamba ngempela. But there was never a day where we felt ukuthi asinayo uma. From that day, not from that day, even before, still when Uma was still alive, she'd always been our mother. Oma wayesho nje athi hey hambani ke nje naloma wena ontotosayo.